The Executive Council of St. Eustatius boarded a vessel and journeyed to the island of Vlieland, one of the 8 Wadden Islands of the Netherlands.
Today, St. Eustatius is happy to have been one of the signatories to a letter of intent that establishes that the 8 islands within the Dutch kingdom, 3 in the Caribbean part of the Netherlands and 5 here in the European part of the Netherlands, have agreed to work together on issues that we have in common. Not only issues, but also to share good practices, best practices, and to see how together we can lobby towards the national government in the interest of the good functioning of local governance.
The first stop was a visit to the island's water distribution plant, an innovative facility supporting the island's essential infrastructure.
As Commissioner of Water and Energy, it was very interesting to see how Vlieland tackles the water issues.
The delegation was then escorted to an area where they were shown how a village was saved by the increase in tides.
I'm standing in a community project where they have people with special needs are living together, and the community took a loan of 17 million to help facilitate this. And we also on Statia, we have a comparable project, which is Viola Vazanton location, where we have quite a number of people living, and this looks beautiful. And the same principle we would like to bring to Statia, where more people will be helped.
The delegation continued their visit in true Vlieland fashion by bicycle. This eco-friendly mode of transport reflects the island's commitment to sustainability and environmental stewardship.
We have a very interesting discussion with the islands, with the Wadden Islands and with the BES Islands about how we handle problems our own way, but we also see similarities between our islands, and we are trying to make a connection with each other, how we can make our own islands better by helping each other.
I think it's a very good adventure because for years we have been trying to build ties with Holland, mostly with the gemeentes. But I think this discovery of the islands has been the best connection that the islands can have, because we actually have a lot in common, very much in common.
Because with the social housing project that we have over there, it's all about helping the people. And even though it costs a lot of money, we are making the effort and the investment in our people, because I mean, a lot of these people have worked hard for the community and they should be rewarded for that. So this looks very nice, and I hope that someday in Statia we would have something like this comparable. There's a community center and there's also housing, where I understand there's a hairdresser and a dentist on site.
We're very excited for this historic moment here today. We're now leaving Vlieland, where we signed an MOU with all 8 islands, 3 from the BES and 5 from the Wadden Islands, where we're going to work together. It's called the E8.
I am very optimistic what the meaning of this document have for our islands towards the future.
From infrastructure to housing, from water to connectivity, our shared challenges are opportunities for joint solutions. The E8 partnership is a step forward built on shared solutions and a collective commitment to resilient, sustainable futures.